Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on Gate.io. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gate website right here at gate.com if you have not already, and from here we are going to go and be able to get started. If you have not already gotten on your mobile phone but you want to use the mobile version, you can just go ahead and open up the App Store, search for Gate, find application and install it. So once you've installed and open it up, we can get started. The process is going to go exactly the same, doesn't matter if you're using the web version or the mobile version. So what we need to do first is to go ahead and log into our account. If you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and create one using the buttons right here, and just like this we can get started logging in. So once you've logged in, this is going to be the home page from where we can get started, and now we can go ahead and access the crypto prices right here. As you can see at the top of the screen, you're going to be able to take a look at the markets and the stocks option right here, from where we can go ahead and access the stock activities, and we are going to go and be able to find NVIDIA tokenized stock dev chain. So this is going to enable us to get in the project. So basically you can use the stocks option right here to search for the US stocks yourself, or you can go ahead and find them in the crypto versions right here. But once you have logged in, you're going to have the buy options for all the options right here. So what I suggest for you to do is to go to Gate and find what suits you the most, if you want to buy the crypto version of NVIDIA, or if you want to directly invest into stocks from the stock section right here and get started buying into it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.